Hey guys, Jason from Iconic MetalGear here. Today I want to show you these steel mounting brackets that we sell. What makes them a little bit different than your standard mounting brackets you're going to find. So what we do is we sell them in a pair, and we sell them powder coated black. The other thing you'll notice is it's one piece steel laser cut. So we take a flat sheet, we cut it, and we form it. And we put a nice big radius inside here. It's really strong, 1/4 inch steel. The other thing we do is we have all these mounting holes in it. You don't have to drill holes in it. It comes with slots on the bottom, so you can move your toolbox a little bit in and out depending on how you want to position it on your truck. The nice thing about these is they look really clean. They don't have that arm in the way. When you go to clean your toolbox, you don't have to get around this arm. It allows you to clean the inside here real nice. Plus, from a visual standpoint, it looks really nice. Another little thing that we do is we just radius the corners. So you get this with no sharp corners, it's perfectly square, and it's already coated with the holes out of the box. Sold in a pair. So check us out, iconicmetalgear.com.